Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and I am coming to you today with the manicure featuring Charlie's Nail Art products. She does a theme every 4 or 5 days, I think it is. The one for this one is Haunted Houses, Ghosts and Ghouls. I don't do ghouls, because that's like, I googled it, that's like a demon spirit. I ain't messing with that. Even though it's just a manicure, I don't do no ghouls. So what we are going to do, we have a ghost here, and we have a haunted house, and these are from Charlie's Nail Art. These are really super cute embellishments. So I'm going to put those on a nail. I'm going to, of course, have a sugar nail. I do have this beautiful blue glittery hollow polish. I don't know if you can see because it is just gorgeous. It is by Diva in the bottle. This is from the winter collection 703. I do love this color. Let me share this with you in here. Look at this. This is just beautiful. And it's got some hollow. Hello, Erica. I have to say hello to my girl, Erica. So we're going to start. Where are we going to start? Let's start with, let me see, we got some blue gel here. This is for glitter pigments. No, we're going to go over to the grip gel, which is for layering foils. So I'm going to put this on the nail here. So we're going to put a foil, one of these water decals on the nail. And I'm going to use this to make it stick. So we're going to have that on there. I'm going to kind of multitask here. I am going to use the glue gel because I'm going to do a sugar nail, of course. Okay. Those are for the water decals. This is for the ghost haunted house sugar nail. Alright. I gotta have me a black sugar nail. I think the Sugar Crush collection by She Modern is just outstanding. They do not carry it anymore though, so I am one of the select few who has it. I'm going to stick this in a new lamp that I am using. I'm testing this baby out. It is a sun lamp. It is for both hands at one time. I'll show it. It's got 4 settings. I'll show it to you in just a second. It's got 10, 30, 60, and 99 seconds. The lighting on it is just awesome. It does not bother your eyes. I don't know if it's because the inside's black instead of reflective. But it's a sun, and then in a box it's got BG, 6 and the letter T. BG, like Boy, Garrett, Troy. How funny is that? It's 108 watt lamp. Here, let me take this out of here for a second. Here is the lamp. Ooh. See, look, it's got a handle. I know it's kind of close up, but I do love this lamp. I am reviewing it, so as you can say in this video, there are PR items used. Whoops. That's a new thing you have to put with YouTube's rules. If you are using PR items, you gotta say it. Description box, it's gonna be a little bubble or something on the screen. So, we're gonna do the sugar nail. Wait a minute, I'm getting confused. I wanna do everything at one time. Pick up your water decal. Get you something lint free to dab it off on. Position this on your nail. Get your silicone tool. Now I did score the nail, which means I cut a few slits in it along the sides. Because your nails are curved. They're not flat. Decals and such are flat. We're going to position this haunted house. I don't know if you can see this too well. We're going to position that on the nail. I hope you can see. I am going to smooth this out. I'm going to position this here by the cuticle. And just try to move this down just a smidge. Try to position this on the nail, smooth it all out so there are no air or water bubbles. And with these slits, see, it lays smoothly on the nail. You ain't got to worry about this, that, or the other. I'm going to go in now with She Modern's Black Hollow Sugar Crush. Love, love, love the Sugar Crush. So I'm going to move this here. Try to keep it out of there and out of there. I am going to tap, tap, tap. Make sure you covered the whole entire nail. A little bit does go a long way, and I'm using, I guess you'd say, extra. I'm going to push this down into the glue. Glue, glue, glue. Get up by your cuticles, your sidewalls, and your tips. Gonna push, 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 push. I am not going to wipe this nail off yet. I'm going to stick this in the lamp. It'll be over for 10 seconds because it has 108 watts power. So yeah, I'm just going to, I do that with the pigment, a glitter. I stick it back in the lamp, let it recure. So that it like helps it stick into the glue better. Let me get my fluffy brush. Love, love, love my brush. I got this at AliExpress. Let me clean the cuticles up here, or the sidewalls up here a little bit. I just love a sugar nail. I really do. After you stuck it in the lamp and you bring it out and you dust it off with the brush, nothing should be coming off the nail. Your cuticles and sidewalls, yes, but not the nail. So now, we are going to use, move things out of my way so I know what I've used and what I have not. I'm going to be using these. The blue and the white. I think I got these off Amazon. I do not have the link any further though. Excuse me, I'm thirsty. I'm a thirsty girl. Excuse me, I put something away. I'm going to be using my nail glue by Viola. This is a PR item. I do love this glue. It's really quick though, so you need to be really quick too. Oh. Put your ghost wherever you want it. It's gonna stick, let me tell you. It will stick. So I'm gonna have the haunted house over here. This is really super easy to do. The haunted house is curved like your nail. Whoops. Straighten out, straighten out. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Shoot. I'm going to go over this again with the glue because I don't think I got it up on time. I'm just going to coat the whole nail there. Whoops. Oopsie. There. Gonna leave that sit for just a second. Of course, I get glue all over me because that's just how I roll. I'm a messy girl, I'm gonna be honest. I'm not gonna lie. What do you think so far? I'm gonna put some embellishments all around the haunted house. Here's the moon. We have ourselves a ghost floating. Our sugar nail, because I love a sugar nail. We have our haunted house here by Charlie's Nail Art. Everything here except this is Charlie's Nail Art. We have our water decals. Just cut those up, soak those in some water, and you are good to go. So I'm going to be using, I'm really stuck on this eye gel beauty lately. I got 3 bottles of it, so I might as well use it. They have their sale 60% off, and I don't know, I can't see not using it, not buying it. It is a great polish. Lately I've been using Diva in a bottle for the clear. I love that brand as well, but I got 3 bottles of this. 3 bottles. So might as well give these a whirl. I do like how thick it is. I do love a thick top coat. Whoops. Get these over here. What do you think? What do you think? Let me think here a minute. Let me think. We finished top coating the nails. I'm going to try to top coat around my ghost. Do not top coat the ghost itself. I love these water decals. I think they're so cute. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp. Since this is 100, let me see, I can't get used to this, 108 watts. You could only do a 30-second cure, and it should be fully done. I'm still going to go up to 60, just because that's what I do. You don't have to, though. So on that note, we are going to pause, and we'll be right back. Alright, we are back. Our manicure is finished. We have got some water decals here, some bling in the haunted house. I think this looks really cute. Our sugar nail, so I have to have one. Our floating ghost by Charlie's. And the water decal. I call them water slides when they cover the whole nail. I could be wrong, but that's just me. But, you know, 30 seconds fully cures. You don't have to do 30. This is a UV LED. Love this lamp. Just totally love it. It's really super cute. Whoops. Shut that off. Whoops. I love the handle. It's just really a nice lamp. But fits both hands at one time. Can't go wrong. And it is, let me pull it up on Amazon here. Let me see. $28.99, so $29 lamp, fits both hands, 108 watts, 4 timers, auto sensor curing lamp, professional fingernail and toenail art. So you can even stick your feet in there. But here is our little Halloween manicure for Charlie's Nail Art for ghosts, ghouls, and haunted houses. Hope you like my mani. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And as always, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos I upload on a regular schedule 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. When I'm doing collaborations in it, it's going to be more than 3 times a week. So, catch me, get caught up, love the sugar nail. Have a blessed day and thank you.